Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you today?
I am not feeling well.
I am sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a bad cold.
I see. What symptoms do you have?
I have a runny nose and a sore throat.
Do you have a cough too?
Yes, I have a cough.
Do you have a fever?
A small fever, I think.
How long have you felt this way?
For about 3 days.
Have you taken any medicine?
No, not yet.
Okay, I can help you find something for your cold and cough.
Thank you.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Good. I recommend this cold medicine.
How often should I take it?
Take 2 tablets every 6 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it is better to take it with food.
Okay. Do you have anything for my sore throat?
Yes, these throat lozenges may help.
That sounds good.
Drink plenty of water too.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Yes. I also need some pain relief medicine.
What kind of pain do you have?
I have a headache.
Is it a strong headache?
Not very strong, but it is uncomfortable.
I understand. This medicine may help with your headache.
Thank you. I will take that too.
No problem.
Can I pay now?
Of course. Let me get everything for you.
Thank you.
One moment, please.
Sure.
I am sorry. We have a small problem.
What happened?
We do not have the cold medicine in a small package.
Oh, really?
Yes, we only have the large package today.
How much does the large package cost?
It costs $24.
That is a little expensive for me.
I understand.
Do you have another option?
Let me check.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
Good news. We have another cold medicine.
Really?
Yes, it works in a similar way.
How much does it cost?
It costs $12.
That is much better.
Would you like this one?
Yes, please.
Great, I will add it to your order.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
Can I take the cold medicine and the headache medicine together?
Let me check the information.
Okay,
Yes, you can take them together.
that is good to know.
Just follow the instructions on the package.
I will.
Do not take more than the recommended amount.
Okay, I understand.
Do you need anything else today?
Actually, yes.
How can I help?
I need vitamins.
Do you want vitamins for adults?
Yes, for adults.
These are very popular.
How many should I take each day?
Take 1 tablet each day.
Can I take it in the morning?
Yes, the morning is fine.
Perfect.
Would you like a small bottle or a large bottle?
How much is the small bottle?
$10.
And the large bottle?
$18.
I will take the large bottle.
Good choice.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Can you tell me the total price?
Yes. Let me calculate it.
Okay.
The cold medicine is $12.
Okay.
The headache medicine is $6.
Okay.
The vitamins are $18.
All right.
The total is $36.
That sounds good.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by card.
No problem.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Did the payment go through?
Yes, it did.
Great.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Can you remind me how often I should take the cold medicine?
Yes. Take 2 tablets every 6 hours with food.
And the vitamins?
Take 1 tablet each day.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
It is my pleasure.
I feel better already.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for answering all my questions.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you for watching this English conversation video. Practice these conversations daily to improve your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.